Dogs are often termed as man's best friend, but sometimes approaching them in the wrong manner can lead to serious consequences. Here are some manners and etiquettes you need to know before you can approach a dog. The first rule is always to seek the owner's permission. In any case, it is safer to wait and allow the dog to come to you rather than stepping into its space uninvited. Much of what a dog feels can be understood through its body language. The movement of a dog's tail often reveals whether it is relaxed, curious, or anxious. Owners also know their pets best, so asking them where the dog prefers to be petted is an important step towards building trust. First impressions matter, even with animals. Offering your hand for what is called the sniff test gives the dog a chance to assess you. By allowing the dog to sniff and decide if it feels comfortable, you reduce the risk of startling or threatening it. But not every dog seeks interaction. If a dog repeatedly shies away, it is better to step back. Such behavior often signals fear or nervousness, and respecting that boundary is safer and kinder. These dynamics change when children are involved. Dogs may view children as playmates, toys, or even easy targets. This is why parents must teach their children to remain calm, avoid sudden movements, and never approach a stray dog without an elder present. Respecting a dog's rest is just as important. Touching or startling a dog while it is sleeping is a common mistake. Like humans, dogs value their rest, and disturbing them during that time can cause unpredictable reactions. And above all, unpredictability is always a factor. Animals, by nature, can be unpredictable. Remaining alert around them is crucial, and it is equally important to remember that no single rule applies to all dogs. Each one has its own temperament and boundaries. On this International Dog Day, awareness is the key to safety. Respecting a dog's space, understanding its signals, and approaching with patience ensures not only your safety but also the well-being of the animal.